Good morning to all. I am Angela Maria Muñoz. I am Health Resource Programs Coordinator. Thank you for attending this meeting, whose objective is to define the candidate that we will recommend to our client, Sydney, GKNX, for the position of assistant. I propose that each of us present the candidate that we will consider would be the ideal for that position, and then we will choose the best to recommend. My favorite candidate is Mitsuo. He's 20 years old, he is Japanese, his best qualities are calm, a strong sense of duty, polite, sociable, and put company interest first. I think that's a good future considering that the requirement indicates that the candidate must be sociable and hardworking. Secondly, Mitsuo has a formal image and very elegant style. This is the other reason for that recommend him, because the client looks for very smartly dressed person. Isabella, please continue.
Good morning. I am Isabella Valencia. I am Human Resource Analyst in Bogota. The person I want to suggest is the 22 years old Australian named Elaine. I consider that her qualities coincide with most of the demands of GKNX. She arrived smart dressed, is sympathetic, knows how to work hard. You could see good energy is in her, and she was very charismatic. In my opinion, she is a person who has a good sense of humor. Being sociable can help make it easier for her to relate to people, and there is enough energy to meet the demands of the bosses.
Thank you. Morelia, please continue.
Hi, everyone. My name is Morelia Diaz. Here is my candidate. Her name is Daniela. She is 13 years old. Her nationality is Italian. Daniela is responsible, open-minded, and friendly to chance. Daniela can work with supervision and is the talent decision marker. Her instances are reels, watch movie, and visit restaurant with her friends. Our vacancy requires decision person can work online, under person and be flexible. That is why I consider Daniela to be the best candidate for the assistant position.
Thank you, Morelia. Please, Geo, continue.
Hello, my name is Giovanni Munar. My candidate is Rashid. He meets the required profile because he is mature, he is 25 years old, and he is of another nationality, being Indian. I believe that is what the company is looking for. His best qualities are being hardworking, reliable, and a strong personality. And he says that he will do his best for the company.
Okay, we have defended our candidate. Now I want to invite you to justify why you don't agree that it be another candidate. For example, Elaine has a problem with criticisms and is necessarily depend on instructions to do her job. Daniela is the other extreme. She doesn't like to have instructions and prefers to do her job without a boss to direct her. Additionally, dress casual. Lastly, Rashid depends on recognition to feel good about his work, and this is difficult in the work environment. Additionally, he dresses out of fashion which in the field of communications can be frowned upon. Isabella, what do you think
Okay.
about it?
Okay, I don't suggest Daniela because she can be an anxious and conflicted person that are characteristic of people who smoke. And the fact that she expressed her satisfaction to people who are not like just like Misu, who need all people to be kind with him. I also don't consider Rashid to be the ideal candidate since is his tone of voice and seriousness during the interview. He comes across as interpreter and can make it difficult to work for two people at the same time.
Thank you, Isabella. Giovanni, what do you think about it?
Rashid is the best option. I think that the other candidates are not good options because Elaine is very young and could be immature. Daniela, she speaks English with a strong Italian accent. This could cause problem in the image of the company. And finally, Mitsuo, he speaks English with a strong Japanese accent. Uh, this could cause a problem in the image of the company. Additionally, he say that uh, that he doesn't likes people to criticize him. Uh, this makes me think he this made me think that he is a sensitive person.
Okay, thank you. Morelia, what do you think?
I consider that Rashid is not the right candidate because the position and assistant requires cordial and friends dealings with my name people. Misu was not because chosen because the candidates work under prison and elite should not be chosen because she is very arrogant and simple person is required for the position.
Okay, Morelia, thank you. Well, taking into account your previous considerations, I suggest that the candidate we recommended to our client is Daniela, who meets most of the requirements because she is easygoing, open-minded, strong-willed, assertive, likable, and reliable. Thank you for your time in this meeting. Bye.